Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a wire transfer on Coinbase. First, you'll need to log into your account and navigate to the withdrawal section. This process ensures your funds are sent securely to your external bank account. We'll cover each step, from selecting the wire option to confirming your details, making sure you understand the entire procedure for a smooth transaction. It's simpler than you might think. To begin, sign into your Coinbase account and locate the cash out or withdraw option. Once there, you'll choose wire transfer as your preferred method for sending funds. Then, simply input the specific amount of money you intend to transfer. Remember that daily limits for individuals can range from $10,000 to $25,000, while institutional accounts might have limits exceeding $100,000 per transaction. Next, you'll need to provide your bank's essential details. This includes the full name and address of your bank, along with its routing number. Crucially, enter your personal bank account number where the funds will be received. For deposits to Coinbase, always include the unique reference code provided to avoid delays. Double-check all information to ensure accuracy and prevent any transfer issues. Before finalizing, take a moment to carefully review all the entered transfer details, including the amount and bank information. Be aware of any fees your bank or Coinbase might charge for the wire transfer. Typically, wire transfers can take 1 to 3 business days to process. Once you are certain everything is correct, confirm the transaction to complete your wire transfer request.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.